我20歲，從小到高雄大。好是20歲嘅我，會寫定兩張立場，老大家向下發講20歲嘅米。每擺都會有冇向專長嘅外國藝術家，批定我哋向下講，向下聊聊下個想法。北京母族打開耳光，兩條藝術家又會帶俾我哋乜嘅想到嘅事情呢？來自法國嘅太祖 Philip， 本事物變成一種藝術。兩擺讓我向下尋後面世界記，會有乜嘅新發現麼？
今日來一位來自法國嘅廚師哦，已經來台灣4年嘅時間。So Philip, introduce yourself.
So my name is Philip. I'm a French chef. So I live in Taichung, Taichung since 12 years. So and today I will Sharon for visit
This Hakka place.
Hakka place.
What do you know about Hakka?
Not so much.
Not so much.
No, some food, but not so much.
Okay, so I'll introduce you about Hakka first. Right? Come on.
Me, I used to work in the Champs-Élysées in Paris. I started to cook, I was 16. This year I will be 46, so 30 years. I don't know so many Hakka people before. Oh, the guy is very, very, very friendly, very nice. He shares everything with you. And it's for this also I love Taiwan, because people is very nice.
So you see how we always eat in a very large number of people for Hakka culture. They live together, many families. So you see, this is why they have such a big...
And for cook?
Yes.
And people eat around the table?
No, they would, sometimes they would take like branches or something outside, or they would just sit randomly. Or there might be a dining room for them. Doesn't really have a fixed place. And you see, they use this wood chucks for the firing.
Wow. In France, in the countryside,
Yeah.
so in farm it's very cold, so in winter you have something, but it's smaller, like maybe it's like this. It's in iron.
In iron?
Yeah, so you put the wood, so like this, you cook your food, at the same time it's
Oh,
a heater
you keep
for the
warm.
house. Yes, it heats the room.
That is
So it's
very
hot,
smart.
yeah.
And do you know what that is for?
For the...
For water. They would store water inside. They would take water out from the well, and then they would store it inside.
This for the rice?
Which is, they would store it inside. See? So it keeps it warm.
French, we eat bread.
Yeah.
With every meal you have bread. No, Taiwan you have rice. Like Italy, every meal you have pasta. So, but in French we have rice. You use rice made for a side dish. Like some dish go with rice. Some fish, most of the time when you are a kid, when you eat fish with rice.
But not like as
No.
we do in a bowl, right?
No, this for us is like bread. Like my father, I know some Taiwanese people, if you don't have rice, he cannot eat.
Yeah.
My father, if you don't have bread,
He cannot eat.
so he say, sit, no bread, go buy the bread.
Very strict dad. Whoa.
Wow.
I know, it's your favorite. And the thing you were talking about is this, right?
Yeah.
And this is like, oh, these are all same vegetable, but different timing of fermentation, so different forms.
Okay.
Yeah.
So which vegetable?
芥菜. It's the same vegetable. So we're gonna take on a journey to discover about food.
Yeah.
Ready?
Can some white?
I hope not.
My wife too.
想要認識客家料理好食嘅秘密，就要先認識菜盤肚嘅屁股。也故意3片嘅姜麻鹽，會不愛點對姜麻有乜嘅愛的火花冇啊？
條街唔好。
歡迎光臨歡迎光臨。
How to look at this? Oh my god! 阿爸，那个真人动态呢？
哦，
You need to pay it. You need to pay for this.
先带苏打呗。
I've never seen ginger so big before. 那个做的什么啊？两下
做沙西米可以做的。
可以吃。
跟那个我切这样啊，切它嘞。呀，泰府也方便哈，因为都是丘陵地，哦，丘陵地佢种姜嘛排水较好，嗰样嘅气候土质较适合种姜嘛。 所以大埔也深山的姜嘛，大部分种姜，佢品质较好，较硬质。
阿爸，我哋準備好誒。
準備好做了過呀
Are。you ready?
Okay.
Okay. 你示範一次本來就看好嗎？
像看到下有姜嘛落去哦，就這樣，就挖起來，就那麼多了。
很
哦，也半
This is a lot. You see?
啊，
有洞，真的有洞洞呢。你看，
係啊，也多，
還有那個動態片呢。
係啊，動態區動家，
哇哦兩個生長了多久啊？
一年，
嗰時候倆就會落
也
莖。
變落莖嘅，冇也別落苗嘅就變到落莖。
哦，那個老薑、老嫩薑，我用來分辨啊。
嫩薑哈，春天加種到夏天哈，第三個就變到嫩薑，到冬節過尾就變到落薑，一年落去就落薑。
You broken.
Me, I'm from city, so I never do farmer work. So dig the ginger is fun for like 5 minutes. But all day is very tired. But it's nice. It was fun.
較遠到真冇改到薑嘛，
它遠點，遠一點。
要遠一點，好，也改到嘞，沒有關係，沒有關係。
You kill the ginger.
I heard something like when you chop ginger, you know, I just heard that.
改，
我真嘅唔係故意嘅。
也沒有關係啦，也細這樣可以切。
真嘅動拍聲，
唔怕學習，
我繼續。
故做工種嗬，我學習，
好。
嗰就也個講嘛，我看天食飯，那個從頭落雨，做唔得，我浸到，那個冇雨，哦，從個一餐咩幾日冇落雨，又太早，水分唔啦，又會跟那個品質又較唔好，所以種姜嘛就靠天吃飯，當辛苦的一個工作。
葱大概你要给人家种，要先把这些要洗干净吗？还是
我刮頭，嗰件我白頭，
剪呀要白頭。
嗰啲洗澡啊咧，
還要曬？
你有冇按試試吧？
你們係講那個為本人種嘅麼？
係啊，有本人做種嗬，本人做種，佢就好切一塊塊咧，切一塊塊咧。
然後也是要老給曬乾哦。
對。
哦，OK。
我洗澡啊，等等。
I know it's grow like this, but I never think it was so big. Like you start like 6 a.m. So, but it's nice. And we are so surprised, it's so big. So after you need to clean, put to dry, you need to wait 4 months before put back. I understand now why you take big breakfast like this, mian or dumpling. You need power for all day. This is the biggest one I've never seen.
What do you feel?
I feel proud like I have a nice baby.
Well, 我感覺我真嘅冇看過安泰嘅那個薑 in my life. I'm very surprised actually.
Yeah, because when you buy in the market, it's so small.
Yeah, when I buy in the market, it's like this. Okay. All right, so we should
Go to cook.
go cook. 阿爸，我哋準備好，我們要用這個做料理咧。
好，落去傳堂做特色的料理。
We're gonna create everything we can.
Okay.
Let's go.
好嘞，我來傳堂。
初降日當午，寒地將下土。經過天肚巷一層殺芒大餅後，我哋嘅肚絲也嘰里咕嚕喊起來。 Philip Thornton，我哋夾條來去做下課呢，也條姜嘛做啲變出乜嘅料理呢？
Hello，嗨，你好。Okay, now it's time for us to work.
这跳杆你要教我们踢一步嘿，
踢步哦，踢步让它姜马上捏起来哦，像这样子，它里面都会夹带泥土，哎，会有奶，哎，就会凹一团，它里面夹着泥土，我们比较有办法洗得到，像这样都。
So just break it down now. Okay, we're doing fine, right?
In my home recipe, I don't use ginger, but I use ginger like now I make Moroccan food. Because my mom's from Morocco, so I use ginger, but ginger powder. My mom, she like put some ginger on her tea, so you put some ginger for give more taste to the tea. It's like you know, French you have Caribbean, so food from Caribbean, yeah, we use ginger, but inside the France, not so much.
所以现在要做哪一
现在我们先做给酒，
给就？这样就我们是加那个什么蒜头什么那些。
冇，一下揀完呢給酒就安尼，就姜嘛、麻油、酒、雞肉就安尼。
那个
連調味料馬嘅調味料就冇，
马盖头呢？
馬嘅調味料。
He said like this Hakka, how Hakka people eat it is just like the ginger, the sesame oil, the chicken, and the mijo. That's all.
Oh, the onion, nothing.
那no 没有盐哦，什么都没有。
沒有，你完全煮
No
煮
salt
給雞肉嘅甜味嘅呢，我係煮嘅。
No seasoning at all. 如果有面线很好。
有面線係啊。好，我們就上鋪。哇！那就客家比較傳統的料理啊。
嗯。
對啊。以前嘅孕婦懷孕坐月子這樣有。
哦，漳州在吃咯。
係啊，一下顏色東部。
對甜烘到作烘，現貴現做嘅姜麻料理真經挺香咧。我講張先生，平常雖然吃到你挺辣的，不過我當場開始中意嘅。
Bon appétit，謝謝。
其實呢，給酒的方式有它一多種，你現在可以煮滾點火，不要那個酒味。對啊，在10分鐘之後再吃，那你就味道又不一樣了。
Yeah, if you light it up now, you won't have so much alcohol taste. You like alcohol or non-alcohol?
No, especially, but now it's strong.
Now it's yeah.
You cannot drive after.
Yeah, no driving.
Lamb is already strong. But you put some ginger, it make your meat more tasty. So for this, all the spice normally is for make the main ingredients you can feel better. I like ginger. It's very tasty.
So, do you make any fruit sauces for the food?
Yeah, we make orange sauce. It go well with the duck breast. And also with the breast we do like.
Is it with fruit? What is that?
You take the orange with
Oh,
breast.
orange.
Yeah.
What we're gonna make is kumquat. You know, it's like a kind of citrus kumquat.
The small
gonna-
one.
Yeah, it looks like orange. Like also that one. So for Hakka cuisine, they almost every dish they would have a bit of the sauce together.
Also, it's typically Hakka.
Yeah, very typically Hakka. Let's take a look.
Yes.
Hi.
Hi.
你们这个做吉类姜哦，吉姜的 kumquat sauce。 那我哋想要來試試看用嚟做。We always eat it, but we never get to try it out.
这个要打红的这样子切，切有没有？因为种子在这边，然后现在用这样挑出来，种子会苦苦的。
會苦苦的。那兩個做得讓它濕透。
要是的啦，要是的。
这是上季的水果，水果啊，
皮會
甜的，
酸的。
皮是甜的，里面是酸的。
那快點來聽數唔做好。
好。
阿姨，嘅我哋用嘅時間會有一個幾耐啊？
差唔多人家台灣哈，雙十節過，差不多也過年左右。
過年嘅時間最
農曆過
多。
年，人安尼種嘢時節，較俗啊，也較做嘅啊，水啊安尼較薄，哈，做出來較詳實。啊，雙十節大家就了了開始會縫。
哦，唔過像就是歡迎假，客家嘅歡迎假，其實每一個人都會做。
辦事就會，我一定客家人，細從阿公阿婆教來嘅阿婆。
She said like her grandmothers, their grandmothers would teach them how to make it.
Oh.
So it's a family.
Family. Yeah, in Aka is all the thing is
Yeah.
family.
懂到嘅東西，就客家嘅傳統裡面，很多東西都是。
傳下胎傳下來嘅，
對。
下胎傳下來嘅啦。
Aka spirit, what I say, is very family spirit.
And the sauce, it was not family, but the woman mother was kids, so it's like sisters. So everything is a family spirit.
There you go. 好誒，然後不用
好嘅哈，
電鍋，
不用一些酒，
一些酒。
Oh, the alcohol?
酒，酒啊較香，佮有一些的米糖啊，有一些的米啊，對嘛？蒸出來才會有個米啊，
那個汁才會有。
較香，有汁那個汁，不然你太硬啊，有嘛？
好，所以
Other
one
question.
question.
So if I want like put other kind of alcohol like whiskey is possible
哦，
for the taste or
那個除了米酒以外，都得加什麼 whisky 還是
不行，
其他都不行？
全部
味道，
米湯冇
重要。
你有試過嗎？
有呢。
也是人家的客家的安尼法寶啊。
用高粱要做的，唔過
高粱
本錢。
The 高粱 spirit
Yolian.
also.
Okay.
So what do you think about this?
It's, like this is already good. Like you can use this like for decoration for dessert or thing like this.
Ah, yes.
This me
For you.
like this I will put like most sugar. Then you can keep long time like tango, you know,
糖果
candies.
Yeah?
Yes. So something very sweet so you can keep long time.
Oh, okay. That's a smart way.
In France, most of people have mustard. Or America is ketchup. So we do with this team, like a woman. So all you have is one she like more spicy, one she like more sweet or salty or more alcohol. The alcohol is over, but you can feel the alcohol is strong. So you have a lot sauce, but the same sauce, but the taste every time is who do it is not the same. So alcohol make also it give power on your food. So if you take like with beef or things like this, so it gives strong. So it's good. I will try the sauce and I will make my way. So maybe add some ginger or other thing or French herbs. I will make some.
Thang講客家美食度有一套料理，係鄉親稱好嘅做碟，水金金嘅外皮，黏黏嘅料味，食起還會幫你精神鐵好。在呀冷咻咻嘅落雨天，真見都適合菲力老愛哦。
太嘎好，你們好。This is like a teamwork, you know? Everybody's working on something. Maybe we should try it too, right?
Okay.
So 你們有分步驟對不對？每一個人
So the toga, that the boss is making the coat of the dumpling. And 奶点要试哪一个比较好啊？包吗？Okay, so maybe we can do the wrapping it.
OK。
toga 奶点嚟做。
好来，
好。
应该怎么去？问些水，哎，半圆形。
半圆形 ，half of the circle。要很湿吗
不用，有湿就可以。
？Okay, not too wet.
对，对战，然后肉你可以稍微碾到意思嘞。
OK
同样是做出来。
嗯。你嘛该俩米跟印度会吃那个水饺，水饺当做早餐啊。
你使用水饺哦，当奶包。以前用农家自提咩，我们较习惯使用的看奶包的东西啊，像糯饭啊，像用水晶饺皮那种圆圆色的看奶，唔按家都是窑啊，哎，就一直后摆就慢慢变，就变到一副圈的全部你就习惯的，就用水晶饺做早餐。
This is actually very thick. 那个the coat. 那两个皮是什么粉啊？
就是啊，就可以用牙粉打出来呀。
哦，它就是这个粉。
对。
这个是薯粉。
这个 this is like the three kind 太白粉 tapioca and also the sweet potato.
OK。
So he said that this is almost extinct now, and we're reviving it. So tomorrow the customers are gonna get this.
We complain.
When you look to them to do, they look easy. You make use the meat go out, you try to put inside, so you think it was okay, but if you put in water, it's open because there's the meat, everything good. So you need to take care, but it's hard work. You look easy, everything. When you eat, when you're in a restaurant, you eat in the plate, it looks easy to do. You don't think, you don't see what you do in back, make the thing.
So what else is there also something similar like this?
We do. No, with the same flour, but we do like ravioli, small. And
How do you cook it?
in the water.
With water?
Yeah. And inside we put some cheese.
Some cheese? Oh.
也細細嘅空間，大家嘅速度冇停下來過誒。Philip 一邊做一邊學，想出嚟當到稀奇古怪水晶餃嘅形誒，小碌碌又爭起伏。哎喲，我都唔掉嘅啦，真驚動上癮呢。
To say, oh, we should give it a try then. 皮愛點中下色。
皮呀，用下色。
Yeah.
Let's try.
Yeah, let's have a try. Like if he has this like very like
Funny?
cute texture, yeah. And I feel like it's like you know douhua. Yeah. Also like inside there's like those taro bowls and everything. It tastes like that.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Good. This kind of dumpling is good. Yeah, the way it looks like very jelly, but when you eat, it's like chewing. So it's not like what you eat is not what you think. So you have your mind is blown, so you think like oh, and the taste also is like the coat is very chewing. Yeah, when you take the meat, the stuff, like you have the pepper going inside your mouth, so mix of the two things. Wow, no, I like the combination of two opposite things.
葱呀係人嘅小排，會壓線。
Do you know what this is? Looks dark, but you should try it first.
Try this is good. Huh?
Okay.
The duck blood I was blow out. I never think what this tastes. It don't taste blood. It's not very chewing. It's soft in your mouth. Not really tasty, but with the special sauce you have was very good. I love it. Well, I don't think I will. I try because my parents teach me you try everything. After you say you like or you don't like. So the first thing I try every time is something I don't know. So I tried this one. Really, it was very good.
I know you like this, but 那个调咖比马该你们吃早餐还要吃那个鸭血啊？
因为以前所以我妈妈做的时候，你以前当初自家自己吃阿伯咩，你记会神咩？以前当初做就是中年的时候，
坐月子的时候，
中年的时候会都煮麻油鸡啊，做。
So because when ladies like they give birth, they have this sesame oil 麻油鸡 chicken. Yeah, I actually like it.
You see?
I've never tried this before.
Me neither.
Really?
Yeah.
But you liked it?
Yes, like this. I tried with you have blood with rice.
Oh yeah, 猪血糕。他有那个吃过猪血糕。But this one is better, right?
Much better.
Much better.
传统市场就像料理嘅包装库，做得本太厨清亮嘅卖，变成一盘一盘好食嘅料理。等一下，我认识嘅阿姨来调唔少哦。
他是要来买，等一下你会煮东西嘅料理。
而家都嚟看下呀，也全部。
So
有啲泡菜，
泡菜，那
擺
个
嚟講，也撞乾嘅撞嚟都做。也都洗下澡的會都變嘅。
这个是
做下出嚟都鹹菜。
So 那个第一步哦。Oh, so this is like step 1, step 2, and step 3. Wow. You know rice balls in Taiwan?
You put this on the.
Yeah, this one. It's this one.
No, connect with this.
嘅都可保存唔到研究，也都差唔多都最多都長命，長命嗰隻都已經有。
從哪個時間都搶命？
都也半夜班開始都有人啊。
半夜班，那兩個再繼續曬哦。
要曬早了，也都唔是種，都嗱曬要早，都用硬嘅硬嘅裝起來都。
哦，兩個係咪嘅客家人都地都會按樣做嘅哦。So, this is like every Hakka people would know how to make it. So we should learn it, you know?
And strong.
Yeah, it's very strong. 那個聞起來很濃。
係啊，嗰個打那張帶做啊。
好啊。
我
哋等下去買菜嗬。OK, so 我哋等下就去選那個等下會做嘅菜。So we could go pick up. Bye bye.
Bye.
嘅因為我婆啊，我婆佢都本來都做一行咩，從問我媽媽，我媽媽做嘅時間，我咩嚟叫我做啊，個我父房安排咩，也就阿叔妹啦、阿伯妹啦，也就都咁每家菜要帶轉來冇卡做咩，個家出嘅阿姑啦、阿姊也就，有咩老家就較貼住嘅東西，嘅冇卡唔是做到菜要帶轉來。 我所講有現做，都有也以前都人雜菜，個嗌鍵盤做，冇固定菜單啊，嗌想出馬菜，說本家就食都做入的，嗰種能得保存也全國雜嘅菜下來，自家也對也嘅菜煮菜嘅也要興趣啦，也當上去學啦，都嗰個。 菜煮出去，較係食到好食，有當聽啊，要行下沙皮啊，要見研究啊，研去求進步做出來啦，對吧？嗰啲啊，也去泡菜，差唔多，按嚟做嘅。
係你自家？
家人去做嘅啊。
哦，你自家做嘅哦。
家做嘅咪，也嘅鹹菜。
You see, everything has different smells.
Yeah. Everything is vegetable. I don't know the vegetable. I know in the restaurant you can put on your lomian, but I don't know how was the real vegetable. We don't have so many dry vegetables. We do with fruit, like plum, apricot, or figs. But vegetable not so much.
从两个黑，这个碎碎的，不过两个还有一点点，就是长。
也管，像呢，也被合啊，也合，也被合的部分。
合哦，那个叶子的。
也被到的部分。
那比马该会切法不一样。
它出面个 它无按唱面啦，也会迄艺术家给咩，我也给泡菜都会配料呀。
哦，那个是主菜。
对，客家菜都色彩尽量莫讲呀，尽量也爱用绿色的。
Don't waste it her
你
idea.
人种的家都清清苦苦，个人煮的，咩爱夹脏的脏就爱夹在长度。不做讲东西莫尽量莫打杂的。
哎呀，
也用按你钱。好。好。
OK， 這個兩個藝人做嚟做。Yeah, let's help out. Shall we?
Go first.
I go first?
Yeah.
OK.
做下肚，除太后阿姨嘅好手艺，我和头学到嘅做菜嘅西药量。阿姨讲经验轻重要，叫我等一下转去嘅时节，再继续练习好嘅。
也个鹹菜糖係客家算最有名嘅。
最有名嘅 ，This is the most famous
最主要
soup
都
for
講係
Hakka.
食也貴族嘅菜，油黏黏，還是也鹹菜糖哦，嘅較
輕一下。
較爽口。
Yeah, like refreshing.
哎，阿姨，是不是你应该客家人都会做那个鹹菜乾啊？
嗯，
係冇？
也都用鹹菜乾嘅米吼去做嘅安尼。
啊，你會做冇啊？
哦，也鹹菜、泡菜、鹹菜乾，而家客家狀況咧，都也上下嘅大家人都會做，誒。
阿姨，給你教我哋做。
哦，冇問題啦。
For our stomach's sake,
Yeah.
we will learn how to make it, even if it takes a lot of work, right? Yeah.
醬油。
好。
食飽飽，飲飽飽，有種飽飽嘅幸福。接下來，太子帶領我哋來到佢滷鹹菜嘅秘密基地，一群阿婆切，多大啲嘅切物㗎？
阿姨，
哦，家家愛心啊。
你們好。
呀，
對揾你啲菜啦，
呀對啊。
而家你如果多年過年啦嗬，最可以吃，都要鹽咗對。
It seems like
like massage.
對啊，yeah, like massage，按摩也很像。
對。
好，我們來 let's do massage for the vegetable.
Okay.
Yeah.
有個鹽啊，嗬，因為你
底部要打開，yeah, so you have to open it inside as well.
等你咁樣，都係打開來嗬。等你切埋，變切，即到得鹹，即鹹咩包件唔可以熟，唔可以熟都唔可以夾。
唔係哦。
So new.
我用嘅有發酵，將佢轉熟。
So it's for this you
哦，
don't
轉熟咯，要將佢揀，將佢用適度嘅揀。
you don't need to use the salt when you cook.
煮菜的時候，你冇拉鹹醬不用鹽。
Oh. Well, do you also have anything like this in your French cuisine?
For salt way, but not for vegetable. With duck legs.
Ducklets. 你个 V 马干两个会湿湿的，你有洗过吗？还是？
没
有，它
腌下去就会了。
所以其实已经泡了一阵子了。
没有。菜摘回来是要加晾那个水分晾干，稍微有点晾干，然后再用盐巴下去搓。
I thought like because it's so wet, like 很湿。So I thought maybe they washed it or no, like something, but they said they actually expose it and then add salt, so it's like so
The
wet.
water go out.
Yeah, but it's the opposite from what I think. You know, I thought they wash it.
We
but
do this
it's
for
exactly
many
different.
vegetables, like cucumber.
Yeah.
So you put some salt and this all the water go out. You
Yeah,
can
I
keep
know.
longer. So it's the same thing.
What else? What else do you add in the cucumber?
Only salt. Before this is before you use, so like you can keep longer.
Yeah.
After
Just
we
like
make-
this process,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
用的很好啊。
多的，这样的叔叔，
这样子可以。
对
好
对。
那
然后你攞
Maybe it's okay.
將我依嘅暗講魚，
别嘛含光后拿。
一年哦，让他用1个月。
誒，夾落
滷鹹菜嘅過程，愛手腳並用，夢想嘅很簡單，味道啊愛入味，大家動作是200的。
嗯，對。
OK。
我要脱鞋子。
要脱鞋子。
係嘅嘛，你好托大。Yeah.
With like for in France for the wine before. With the grape. You do this.
采葡萄。
也采葡萄。
我们做也是一样。
哦，那我们要这要一个人采吗？还是？
对，我自己采。
你采。好。
哎。
哇。
阿媽啱咁
哎，小心哦。
这样采。
那要采到大概时间啦？
采到它软了，再沉下去。好，再再给它吧。
I never do this before, but people make wines. You put after you need to press everything, and the vegetable have some curve, so you feel this all on your feet. So it was funny, and you need to take care because you can fall down. So if you break everything, it's no good. I enjoy it. So yeah, it was fun.
So Mr. Philip, how do you feel?
I feel Aka.
Hakka?
People.
Hakka? You feel Hakka? Now you know the Hakka spirit, right?
Yeah.
Quá hôi à, anh nói là sai gì rồi đấy.
你看，本地就看一下。
你看一讲呢哈，我也都了解安尼sai gì rồi.
好。
啊，哪个来呀？别，都来弄你。
Oh.
这是
It's like really like doing laundry. 阿姨，大概从就是开始晒到晒好，可以做得晒要多久的时间？哦，看天时。
中央后天哦，五张拿出来晒。冇天都在等佢读代，都冇拿打开了。
那有你调嘅时间大概要多久啊？2年就好哎。So she said like 2 days if there's the sun, it would be yeah, it's edible then.
我要光着我的脚丫子在风中踩踩，卷着衣服的袖子晒干要等待。鸡脆变鹹脆，鹹脆變朴脆，俩係鮮人黏黏的滋味哦。
阿姨，
係，
你點做嘅按用啊？
哦，我真係唔比較唔按強嘅嚇，做乜東西做都按流量嘅嚇。
Yeah, she just praised us. We are so proud of it. 阿姨，謝謝。還可以啦，對不對？
對對。
Yeah, we were like good helpers. Okay.
阿姨講，佢從細就做本貴家顏色，故所有記下全套嘅料理菜單。唔相信哦，我哋兩下就去看，一定會幫 Philip 大開眼界。
阿姨，我哋來耶！
你好。
你好。
Your dish.
Yes.
這是我們的客家小炒。
阿姨，我哋來老人陳數啊。
好。
哪一個開始？
哦，要好。
You see, everyone is so busy. We should definitely help.
做龍盤啦，帶隊嚟做龍盤。
好。
客家人來講嘅飯呢，都豐肉係呢當葱油啦，嗰幾盤呢，一般呢聚餐來講，迄講有啲人佢都愛開多開山呢，佢有人愛選擇啦呢，
哦。So I bet you can do it now for her, right? 阿姨，而家下就做得來嘅啊，葱毛已搞過嘅。What can I do? Like, oh, now I'm the sous chef.
要炒，那天炒得很好吃誒，今天看哈。
阿姨，叫嗰啲分嚟攞幾聽數，好唔好？好。
呢種是要大家哈。
So should I? These are for later, right? Okay.
I never cook in the big pan, only with the big thing for steam, and only for one dish. Like she cooked like all the blanket inside. And For her, it's like nothing. Like she use a teaspoon for most of the thing.
牙就牙按的希望的哈，你先拿一条去，再拿张出专业哈，张了甲虫哎。
等一下要出菜哦。So the green onion is for later, like when they're
要
serving.
那要安尼切，安尼先准备工作。
不然那个就会黑掉的。阿姨，你根本你几点钟来嘅啊
6点，6点都要到。
全部就开始准备。
开始准备。
She started from 6. 6 we were what?
Sleeping.
他4点半点多是饭了。
So people start eating like 11:30. Oh, we got 30 minutes to go. Oh my god!
哦，而家去做冷盘啊。
好，we go help out with the.
皮料都摆盘，出菜嘅時間留火候，但行都係度好。阿姨，你真件好犀利啊！你盤咗嘅功夫，硬唔係3兩下就做得好嘅來嘅。
Busy bees.
第5桌是吧？
挨唔掂。
I was concerned about the number on the table because I saw the guy put the number next to me. I saw 6, 7. Why? I think maybe 6 people, 7 people. I know because when you serve, you have the tray. You have two dishes every time, the same dish. So you go to table 6 for 2. So every guy take care 2 tables. So 6. So every time same table. So it goes so fast. Oh, we start at 11:30, 12. Everything was gone. 12:15, everybody was gone also. Wow.
在蒙太嘎 we have to say 你留做嘅事情把我们的梦族打开来了。Like you see, like they're always bustling around. 冲屁蚂蚁哦，屁公 Q 啊，
哎呀，出菜时间了，不要看到。
也可以下来做饭。
是什么？做米做几张？你拿试试看。
我哋做嘅結晶 ，maybe we should taste it.
What was it?
No, the comfort one.
昨天做的。好吃啊！
Oh, we served the whole table. Oh, 很好吃，等好吃。
按个赞。
真的很好吃哎。
I think I will do this for myself.
好吃好吃啊！
阿姨嘅轉呢個時間，叫佢出街做那個幾粒鐘哦。
我哋嗰邊學這位。
She said you're learning her skills.
No worry, I will put my
没
take.
關係啦，你就要學的話就要學的真正學。
I just every time I eat this, I feel better.
哎呦，到啦，張毅拿出一頓。
見面辦事那個叫做會上到魚。
行嘅一陣，出題頭腦中嘅千多料理嘅知識，每本藝人試到從看態度嘅用嘅，還蠻做哦。經過泰國太子阿姨阿伯傳授嘅料理手藝，我真好奇 Philip 轉到做下運用嘅結合創意。我看佢嘅目神，佢會大顯身手咯。
All right, couple making the messy stuff again.
Messy stuff again.
But this time it's Hakka and French combination
We try
cuisine.
to mix French taste and Hakka taste
Okay.
together.
All right. I'm ready. I'm ready.
Ready?
I'm ready.
The dumpling we do, we learn in Miaoli. So we do is some
The snails.
snail. Yeah.
Okay.
You remember how to cut? Like this?
You want to let me try?
Yeah,
Okay.
like this. This is a pickle
Yeah.
from Ai.
So, Philip took a lot of pickles from Ai, right?
Yeah. Sauce, pickle. And we will put some ginger.
Ginger. Different ways.
Yeah. So you understand? Because snail, you don't some. It's not very tasty. So we put already the garlic. Give the pickle,
Yeah.
and this it give like some sweet and also la, spicy, the ginger. Okay?
Yep.
So now we do the crust. So this week I enjoy a lot. I miss nice people and I learned so many things about Hakka cuisine. Hakka spirit, what I say, is very family spirit.
All we see is like family. The breakfast shop, it was a family. The father teaches his son, his wife working with him, so everybody working together. And the sauce, it was not family, but the woman mother was kids, so it's like sisters. So everything is a family spirit.
Khan, look at these. This thing came out of your heart, and you have to tell the audience.
Okay. So I want to say thank you for all Hakka people I meet this week. I meet great
Great. Great.
people and lovely people. So thank you.
And to say so much, right?
Yeah.
I didn't dare touching any of it because it's so beautiful. Like, this food is beautiful and you're so beautiful.
Thank you.
Let's try it.
Right.
So there's the... Khan, our snails, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's give it a try. Oh, this time we can't make a mess now.
No.
Pickles. Something's popping up, like the rabbits, you know? There's the...
Crunchy?
There's the crunchy, and there's the soft, and there's the coat. Everything, like, you know... One bite, but with different burstings. This is cool.
So like this, the look is Hakka.
Yeah.
But when you eat, it's like also French taste.
Yes. It blends perfectly, I think. Okay, my dear Tonton.
Yes.
I've had a really great journey with you, discovering about food.
Me too, I discovered about Hakka food and Hakka culture. So it was very great.
And what do you think about our work today?
I'm happy, but I will be more happy if like I or people we meet try this food.
We should...
He say what he think about this.
Yeah.
So you need to tell them.
We have to tell them. We'll take a picture later and tell them that this is for them, not for us.
For I, for...
for everyone. Also for the audience, right?
Yes, audience.
We appreciate.
Yeah.
But we still have to do.
Yeah, bite.
Last bite.